How to like status on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Log into your account, then at the bottom, click on Updates. After you've clicked on Updates, in here you'll find Status of everyone. Select the status you want to like. After your status is opened, you'll find Heart option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Simply click on the heart option at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on it, you will like the status. You can also click on reply and reply to the status as well. And this is how to like status on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.